So hello, welcome to a segment called Steph Does Stuff. I'm Steph, and we're going to do some stuff. Today, we're going to do an oil change. But first, you want to make sure to run the bike so the oil gets a little bit hot. So let's do that now. After the bike has warmed up, next, make sure you have an oil pan and something to drink. First, you want to drain your oil. That can be done by unscrewing this right here, pulling this out. That'll let your oil run free. There she goes. Now's a good time to grab a drink. Onto the filter. So now I've plugged that back up and we're moving on to the filter. I highly recommend putting something under the filter to catch any excess oil. And I also recommend a filter wrench because these buggers can be hard to get off. Then you just take it off. And voila! Now you want to pour a little bit of oil inside of here. And then you want to take some oil and rub it around the gasket because that helps the seal. Now, are you supposed to fill this or no? I can't remember. We'll just put a little more. I don't think that's going to hurt anything. And then, I've got oil all over this glove. We'll just take our chances. Then you just put it back on. Screw it back on. And we'll go back to our handy dandy wrench. Tighten her up. But not too tight because you'll never be able to get it back off. Just kind of like hand tight, which that is, I just gave it a little extra love. All right, good to go. And then you come to this side of the bike, pop this up, twist it off. And this is your oil dipstick thingy. That is the technical term. Wipe it off and go grab some oil. I use this. I order it from Harley, and my particular bike, which is a 2012 Sportster 72, takes like 3.5 quarts. So just pour it in. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna stop there. I'm gonna clean up the mess that we made. We're gonna put this back in and start the bike because you get a more accurate reading of the level once it has run through the bike a little bit. So we're gonna do that now. Sometimes this thing is a bitch. Like right now. Why? That's not right. Turn. Okay. There we go. So the bike has run for a little bit. Now we're going to check the level. I'm going to wipe it off. And we're like right there, which is just below the full line, which is pretty much where you want to be. I might add just like a little sploosh or two more, but that's pretty good. So we'll just do a bloop and a bloop, and we'll call that good. Put this back on. No. 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 Oh, this thing, man. Come on. Come on. Please. Oh. It's like you gotta turn it at the exact right thing. Turn. And there you go. That's how you do an oil change. Okay, that wasn't so bad, right? Pat yourself on the back. Have a celebratory drink, and join me next time on Steph Does Stuff.